Hi Virgo, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 25th of April. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what this particular week has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you is the Emperor card. You have the Queen of Wands and the Queen of Cups. Your person has the Devil card, the Five of Cups and the Four of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck I have the Two of Pentacles. So either one person was juggling, trying to balance two relationships or two situations or two jobs, anything wherein there were two options. Okay, somebody was trying to juggle that. Now what I'm seeing for you here is you have the Emperor card. With that, you are in this energy where you feel like the father of the deck. So you lead this relationship and take it in the next phase, okay, the next stage of this relationship, because the next two cards, okay, one is the Queen of the Queen of Wands and the other one is the Queen of Cups. Now in some situations, again, that's again very rare. For some of you, you could be dealing with two people, one with whom you have a very strong physical relationship and the other one with whom you are emotionally connected, okay, and that's where you are trying to understand which one you want to go ahead and lead, which one you want to go ahead and take it forward. Okay, now your person currently has the Devil energy. With that, it could mean that there's some addiction, some kind of negative energy that they are currently involved with, or something that surrounds them. That could be sex, drugs, alcohol, anything which is negative. Okay, but this person currently is in the Devil energy, and because of that, they eventually when they will move out, they will feel that they have lost this relationship. With the Five of Cups there, they will feel that everything is lost and they can't rebuild this relationship. Now another very interesting thing that I see for your person is, though they will feel the loss of this particular relationship, they also will have a miser energy, which means that they are not willing to put in that effort, okay, and they are in that miser energy that they don't want to share their love, their finances with the other person. Now relationships don't work, Virgo, if you don't go ahead and share. Okay, you have to share everything. When you are ready to walk those 50 steps, only then you can expect the other person to walk 50 steps and meet you somewhere in between, right? That's exactly the problem that a lot of relationship goes through, and a lot of breakups happen because you only expect the other person to put in the effort, but we as such are not willing to put in the effort. Okay, now let's go ahead and take one card here to see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. So the first card that I see is the Hermit card. With the Hermit energy, this person is currently self-reflecting, trying to think, okay, is this something that has happened is because of their because of their actions as such, or is it because they have gone ahead and done something that this relationship reached this particular level currently. Now we'll also quickly go ahead and see what is the intention of this person. Another card that I see here, that is the Seven of Swords. With the Seven of Swords energy, definitely it looks like there was some kind of a deception, and that deception could be with regards to options. Okay, with the Seven of Cups energy being there, yes, there were options, and yes, this person could have done something deceptive, and that is the negative energy or the Devil energy that we see around them right now. Okay, now let's quickly go ahead and take one card here to see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in the situation. So the crystal that I see for you here is lapis lazuli. The crystal message is, are you listening to your inner guidance? Let go of the extra stress in your life, release obstacles that cause you frustration, align with the angels and allow divine orchestration to light your path to bring you to the right place at the right time. Flow and allow your inner guidance to show you the way. Listen to that still small voice within in order to find the answers you seek. Now the message here from Archangel Michael, I'll go ahead and put that in the description box. You can read it out from there. Now that's all I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, please stay safe and love yourself first.